As a project manager, your focus is often on timelines, budgets, and deliverables. However, the financial health of your projects and your organization as a whole is intrinsically linked to sound accounting practices. This is where accounting software comes into play, acting as the backbone for managing income, expenses, and overall financial performance. Two prominent players in this arena are Zoho Books and QuickBooks. Many business owners and even some project managers might initially wonder, are Zoho Books and QuickBooks the same? The short answer is no. While both platforms offer robust accounting features designed to streamline financial management, they possess distinct characteristics, strengths, and weaknesses that cater to different business needs and preferences. Think of it like choosing between two powerful tools in your project management toolkit. Both a Gantt chart and a Kanban board help you visualize and manage tasks, but they approach the process with different methodologies and suit different project complexities and team dynamics. Similarly, Zoho Books and QuickBooks provide the essential accounting functionalities, but their user interfaces, feature sets, integrations, pricing structures, and overall ecosystems differ significantly. This video, written from a project management expert's viewpoint, aims to demystify these differences. We'll delve into the core functionalities of both platforms, highlight their unique advantages, discuss potential drawbacks, and ultimately help you understand which software might be the better fit for your specific organizational needs and project management workflow. Core accounting functionalities, the foundation. At their core, both Zoho Books and QuickBooks offer a comprehensive suite of features essential for managing a business's finances. These include invoicing, creating professional invoices, sending them to clients, tracking their status, and managing payments. This is crucial for project-based businesses to bill clients accurately for their time and resources. Expense tracking, recording and categorizing business expenses, allowing for better cost management and tax preparation. For project managers, this helps in monitoring project-related expenditures and ensuring they stay within budget. Banking reconciliation, connecting to bank and credit card accounts to automatically import transactions and reconcile them with accounting records, ensuring accuracy and identifying discrepancies. Financial reporting, generating various financial reports, such as profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements, providing insights into the financial health of the business and individual projects. Contact management, maintaining a database of customers and vendors, streamlining communication and record-keeping. Chart of accounts, organizing financial transactions into logical categories for reporting and analysis. Both Zoho Books and QuickBooks handle these fundamental accounting tasks effectively, providing a solid foundation for financial management. However, the way they implement these features, their user-friendliness, and the additional capabilities they offer are where the distinctions become apparent. Zoho Books, the integrated ecosystem player. Zoho Books is part of the broader Zoho ecosystem, a suite of business applications encompassing CRM, project management, Zoho projects, marketing automation, and more. This tight integration is one of Zoho Books' key strengths. Strengths of Zoho Books. Seamless integration within the Zoho ecosystem. For businesses already utilizing other Zoho products, the integration with Zoho Books is often seamless and highly beneficial. Data can flow effortlessly between applications, reducing manual data entry and improving overall efficiency. For project managers using Zoho projects, this means easy tracking of project costs, billing clients based on project progress, and gaining a holistic view of project profitability. User-friendly interface. Zoho Books is generally praised for its clean, intuitive, and well-organized interface, making it relatively easy for users with varying levels of accounting knowledge to navigate and operate. This can be a significant advantage for smaller teams or individuals who may not have dedicated accounting staff. Robust inventory management. Zoho Books offers comprehensive inventory management features, including tracking stock levels, managing purchase orders, and generating inventory reports. This can be particularly useful for businesses that deal with physical products alongside their services. Project accounting capabilities. While not a dedicated project management tool, Zoho Books offers strong project accounting features. You can track project-specific income and expenses, bill clients based on time and materials or fixed rates, and monitor project profitability. This makes it a viable option for service-based businesses with straightforward project accounting needs. Customization and automation. Zoho Books offers a good degree of customization, allowing you to tailor the software to your specific business processes. It also provides automation features for recurring invoices, payment reminders, and other routine tasks, saving time and reducing errors. Affordable pricing. Compared to QuickBooks Online, Zoho Books often offers more competitive pricing plans, especially for smaller businesses. Potential drawbacks of Zoho Books. Less extensive third-party integrations. While the Zoho ecosystem is extensive, its integrations with third-party applications outside of Zoho might be less comprehensive than QuickBooks Online. Reporting limitations in lower tiers. Some advanced reporting features might be limited to higher-tier pricing plans. Steeper learning curve for advanced features. While the basic interface is user-friendly, mastering some of the more advanced features might require a bit more learning.